cardboardness. This is how they do it on professional race teams.
That's how they do it on this professional race.
I mean, I'm sure they do, some way.
They probably have fucking 3D templates and shit.
I am videotaping because our professional media man is somewhere way more important than here.
Which should be just about anywhere. But
What'd you buy here? Real expensive radiator shroud and fans.
From who?
Summit. I don't know what brand they are. Delray or
derail.
Derail.
Speaking of which, this has got to come off.
Derail.
Unless you want me to mount it. Last Thursday, we got left stranded by our media guy. So since then, to recap what we've gotten through as far as work-wise, we got this nice battery box dimple die gusset plate. We got that put in. Also made another more dimple die battery strap shit. We've got bumper bracket extensions, or I guess just bumper brackets for the extensions. We also got our brushed firewall and rear window section in, along with all the little horrible pain in the ass tabs to go everywhere to hopefully hold it in so it makes minimal noise going down the road. We also got these nifty little side brackets made to kind of funnel all the air in, even though, as we may or may not have discussed on camera, drift cars really don't have any aerodynamics. They don't actually go fast enough to require them. We also got the massive fans mounted on the back, but just sort of a test fit. We still have to nutsert everything in. I will put it in place, but it weighs about 200 pounds, so as a team. I got that. Oh yeah.
Alright, so what's going on?
You're not checking my.
Alright, so we're pressure testing these damn.
Oh, there it goes. Oh, your ways.
So what are you doing?
Looking for bubbles.
Austin, what are we doing here?
Checking for leaks on the radiator pipe.
Also looking for bubbles.
Oh, look at all the pretty bubbles.
No big bubbles coming off.
Dang, you're good.
I towards each other, like away from the players.